the first step when you step on the course is the tee box. So right now we're standing on the tee box right here, and you hit your tee shot. And one of the biggest steps here is make sure that you tee up your ball properly. And what I see too often is what people do is they'll only tee up to the height of the middle of the club here, okay? What you actually want to do is you want to tee it up so the equator of the golf ball is in line with the top of the club here. And we do that because this club here doesn't have a whole lot of loft. And basically, it's hard to get the ball airborne, so let the tee be your friend, tee it up higher, and then we can get the ball in the air a lot easier, okay? So a good way to check that is you just tee it up, put your club behind the ball, kind it up real quick, and if you see the equator of the ball roughly in line with the top of the crown here of the club, you know you're in good shape. Show you how it's done. Club behind, it's like a good tee height, get in your stance, down the fairway, and watch your ball fly.